Yo, 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 yo. It's your boy Will Trades back in the house with another video. And we just keep giving you guys some smackaliciously beautiful, beautiful videos every single day. And yet again, you guys can already see on the top there, we're up yet again. $2,614 on the day. And that is right. You guys see it correctly. We have a total balance in this Express Funded account of $17,605. In total, we made about $20,000, but we did a few withdrawals, making the balance at $17,605. My goal is to hit actually $20,000 in the balance by the end of this week and maybe do a $5,000 payout. And I'll show you guys all that beautiful stuff. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how we were able to make that $2,614 and what I look for every single day in the markets and how we are able to capitalize on this every single day in the market. So let me go ahead and shrink myself right here. Here we go. Let me move myself right here and let's kind of go into the trades. All right, so obviously the first trade that hit, that was actually the highlight of my the main profit of the day, was this short right here. Now you're gonna be like, Will, how did you know to go short? How did you know that it wasn't just going to continue going long? How do you know? How do you know? How do you know? How do you know? Right? And then how did this happen? So we're going to do all of that, break it down for you guys. I know we have a lot of new traders in the house, so welcome. Don't forget to give me a like and sub. Again, if you guys actually like this video and see some type of value in this video, I do trade live every single day with my Discord. I teach every single day with my Discord. So if you guys want to be with me for 5 days, absolutely free, no guarantees, no strings attached, that'll be down in the link below. So anyways, let's get started into the video. So the first thing I always like to do is go just to a bigger time frame. Be like, all right, what do we got here? This is on the 15-minute time frame. We can see that, all right, well, we sold off quite a bit. We had some red folder news again today. Today is just a ton of red folder news chop, which makes the market very, very volatile. Now that can be a good or bad thing depending upon what side of the market you're on, right? And if you don't really know how the market moves, this volatility can absolutely just destroy you in the trading. So don't do that. So the first thing I always do is mark out my key areas of interest, which means my main levels of support and my main levels of resistance, right? Okay, see, obviously we have main level support right there. We got a little bit of support right here. This now is going to act as support right there. We got, now let's go to a small time frame. Let's go to like the 5-minute. So yeah, perfect. We have this main level of resistance right here. So obviously I'm going to go ahead and draw it right there just so we can see that we want to make it as accurate as possible. Okay, so when we started dumping, this market open, this was 8:05. This was, where was 8:30? 8:30 was right here. 8:30 was this candle right here. This was 8:30, okay? So I'm like, okay, here's the lowest point that I'm looking to potentially take a short, which is around 8:10. And this is where I said, if we can break below this level, right? Let's go to a small time frame to kind of zoom in here. I said, if we can break below this level with good volume and good momentum, we can 100% capitalize on a continuation of the overall market selling off. And the next thing that I obviously want to look for, bear with me, is trend. What is the overall market before this happened, right? What was the overall market doing? Were we making higher highs? Were we making lower lows? What were we doing in the market? And for us to identify that, all we do is find direction. And as of right now, before this move even happened, right, we were looking to see, okay, well, obviously we're forming lower highs and lower lows. Overall market is what? Descending. The moving averages are descending. Everything is just going down the gutter. So I am only looking for right now shorting opportunities. No reason to potentially look for longs. So we can see right now when market opened, I was like, okay, well, we know that the market's going to go down. Check. I know that there's a key level of interest right here. Check. And I know I'm going to control my risk. If I do enter here, my stop loss is going to be 50% of that candle. Check. So I already formed my game plan, and that's what you guys need to do. We have to form a game plan and hit those bangers. So if we go to the 1-minute time frame, we can see that that played out to the T beautifully, almost nothing in drawdown, and we actually got out. I didn't get the full move. I got about right here. So I got about a 70-point move off that trade, which was still absolutely amazing, making I think I made like $1,700 on that trade. Again, I will be uploading the live recording of this trade in this actual video, so you guys will actually be able to see the live recording trade, which will be pretty nice. And then obviously we can see that market then made another lower high, continued selling off, and then we started changing direction right here, which looked pretty good. And that's it. That's all I did to find my trade. And the last trade I took were longs right here once we started actually identifying some type of reversal, making the rest of my $2,600 profit. So again, that's the breakdown of the trade. Again, here is the actual live recording, and hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Keep smacking away in the markets, keep staying green, keep staying smart, do not give up, and I'll see all you guys in the next one. Unless this forms a lower high, then it's like, okay. All right, here it goes. I will be taking this break on the lows here. So we'll see. Again, we have to be careful in news, though. Remember. Volume S, yeah. It'll pick up here, hopefully. All right, here it goes. Let's see if we can get a dump here. I would like to take the trade on the next candle, so not on this candle, but we'll see what happens. We got 30 seconds on this candle.
Order filled.
All right, I got filled. I'm in these. Let's see if we can just dump this. I'm already going to do a break-even stop on this, guys. I just want a momentum on this, honestly. Like, I actually just want this to slip. If this comes all the way back up, then whatever. All right, retest. Give it a little bit of breathing room, but it's not too much. There it goes. Let's see how much room we got here. Probably till, I'll say right here. There it goes. There it goes. Let's do TP at that low here. Let's go. I'll do TP at 19,185. 19,185 is TP, chat. Let's go. I just want this to continue. And then break even stop on this for me already, guys. Break even stop for me already, guys. Let's go. I'll move my stop. Actually, TP at 19,196. 19,196 is TP. So probably one more good push and I'll get out of these. Come on. Come on. Let's go. About to get out filled. I'm about to get filled TP right here. TP about to hit. Hit me. Fill me. Fill me. And
Order
TP
filled.
hit. Let's go. I'm out. Beautiful. We don't, dude, guys, we don't lose. We don't lose, guys.